You're a dental professional who strives to offer the best treatment options to your patients. You need a simple yet effective tool that communicates the value of treatment in your daily routine. Achieve these goals with Consult Pro Web, the patient education solution. Take the struggle out of consultations. Explain any concept or treatment option to your patients using our extensive library of presentations while highlighting important risks to provide them with the confidence needed for an important decision. Presentations are available in multiple formats, including videos, slides, clinicals, and brochures. Presentations are available in up to 20 different languages to help you overcome any language barrier to connect with your patients. You can even email presentations to patients so they can review options themselves or with their family. Consult Pro Web automatically records all patient activity, including presentations watched, emailed, and viewed, addressing informed consent and keeping a perfect yet effortless record of care. Easily customize presentations to your liking, to your patient's unique needs, or create your own. Use dynamic tabs and series to organize your favorite presentations to save time and increase case presentation consistency. Share videos of treatment options on your web pages online to enhance your website and its marketing potential for new visitors. Consult Pro Web can be used on any device with an internet connection, allowing the mobile freedom to adapt to your unique workflow. Watch your case acceptance rates soar with Consult Pro Web.